Good everyone, you're watching Great Fixes. On this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Microsoft Edge if it keeps on crashing. Now, you can try the steps on any version of Windows, be it 11, be it Windows 10 or the previous version. So without delays, let's get started. Now, the first step, what you will have to do is you will have to go ahead and check if there are any multiple process of Windows Edge or Microsoft Edge running in your Windows Task Manager. To do that, what you will have to do is you will have to press Control Shift Escape on your keyboard, which is by pressing CTRL Shift and Escape on your keyboard, which will open up the Task Manager on your screen. In case if your Task Manager, this is how it opens. You may click on More Details. That will give you a broader view of Task Manager. You might see Microsoft Edge here. If you see Microsoft Edge, you can select and click on End Task. In case if you don't see Microsoft Edge under the processes, you can go to Details and you can go ahead and check for msedge.exe. You would see multiple instances of MS Edge, which is Microsoft Edge running. What you can do is you can do a right click and click on End Task and click on End Process. That will go ahead and kill all the Microsoft Edge on your screen. Now, once you have entered Microsoft Edge processes, you can try to launch Microsoft Edge and see if that works. In case if it works, well and good, and see if it works without any problem. In case if it works well without any problem, well and good, you don't have to try the next step. As a next step, what I would suggest you to try is to open Microsoft Edge in application safe mode. So to do that, what you will have to do is you will have to click on search and type RUN, which is run. As soon as you have run, you can open the run window. Click on run. This will open up the run window on your screen. In the run window, you will have to go ahead and type msedge.exe space /safe and click on OK. Now what this will do is this will open the Microsoft Edge in application safe mode, which means that all the third-party application associated with the Microsoft Edge would be disabled. Now once you have Microsoft Edge open in the application safe mode, you may click on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of your Microsoft Edge window. Then you may go ahead and click on settings. Once you're on the settings page, what you can do is you can try to clear the browsing data by clicking on privacy and search and services. You will have to scroll down a bit here under this section and look for clear browsing data and click on choose what to clear. Under this section, you may go ahead and clear all the cookies and settings. There are a couple of settings here. By default, these options would be selected. That's browsing history, download history, cookies, and cached images. You may click on clear now. Once that has been cleared, the next thing what you will have to do is you will have to go ahead and reset the Microsoft Edge settings by clicking on the reset settings and click on reset settings to their default values and click on reset. This will go ahead and reset the Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once all this step is done, the next step what you can also do is you can also try to check if there are any extensions running or associated with the Microsoft Edge, because since you were able to open Microsoft Edge in the application safe mode, which means that there are some third-party application which is causing this problem. So you may try to go ahead and delete those extensions. So you can click on the three dotted lines and click on extension and click on manage extension. This will open up the window. In case if you have multiple extensions installed with your Microsoft Edge, you would see it right under this section. You can go ahead and disable it. By default, if it is turned on, it will be disabled. So if there are, in my case, I have only one, which is for Zoom, which has been disabled. In case if you have multiple, you can go ahead and disable that by toggling it, or you may also click on remove. That will remove the extensions from your Microsoft Edge. Once that is done, you may try to close Edge and try to open Edge and see if that works. If that works, well and good. You don't have to try the next step. Now, as a next step, what I would suggest you to do is click on the start button, go to settings. Once you're on the settings, you may click on apps. Once you're on the apps, click on apps and features. Once you're on the apps and features, here you can go ahead and search for app list and search for Edge. Or if you scroll down, you will see Microsoft Edge. It would be in alphabetical order. Under this section, you can click on the three dotted lines and click on modify. In case if you get user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue and then click on repair. Now what this will do is this will go ahead and repair your Microsoft Edge, and this should ideally fix most of your issues. So in spite of trying, once the repair is complete, you can try to launch Microsoft Edge and see if that works. In case if you're still facing a problem in spite of repairing Microsoft Edge, the next step, what you will have to do is you will have to go ahead and run the troubleshooter, Microsoft Store troubleshooter. So let's wait for so this has completed the repair of Microsoft Edge, and that should by default launch Microsoft Edge, and this should work. In case if it doesn't work, the next step, as I mentioned, what you will have to do is you will have to click on the start button, go to settings. Once you're on the settings page, what you will see here is you will see system. Once you're on the system, you will have to look for troubleshoot. Once you're on the troubleshoot page, you will have to click on other troubleshooters. Under this section, you will have to scroll down to the extreme bottom and look for Windows Store app and click on run. So what this will do is it will go ahead and detect any problems associated with the Microsoft Store apps, which includes Microsoft Edge. In case if there is any problem, it will go ahead and try to fix the problem by itself using the Windows diagnostic tool. All you have to do is you will have to follow the steps on the screen, and that should run the problem, fix the problem. In case, in spite of trying all this step, in case if this issue doesn't resolve, the next step, what I would suggest you is to go ahead and check for the Windows update. So you click on the start button, go to settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to click on Windows Update on the left hand side. Check for the updates in case, and that will also show you if there are any updates pending on your computer. In case if there are any updates pending on the computer, click on download and install. That would go ahead and download the latest updates on your computer. So all these steps should fix a problem. In case if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave a comment in the comment section so that I can come out with the possible resolution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.